Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Today I'm going to show you my February subscription box by Planner Perfect. I'm pretty excited and yeah, it's almost February, only some days left in January, and now we are going fast into the new month. And yeah, my Planner Perfect box arrived today, so I just thought we would take a look in it. I already watched the reveal, so I knew what's in here, but yeah, I can't wait and be surprised, so that's not an option for me. So let's jump in. This is the February monthly plan book, and I feel it's gorgeous. I love the ballerina and the colors, and I also love the design of the roses in the back. So this is really a pretty cover for February, and I'm looking forward to jump in at the end of the week. And here we have the monthly journal, the blank journal, and it's also really pretty, and I love the Love Never Fails script. And yeah, I feel they both are complementing each other really well, and I hope that's the right word, or match really good together. And I already opened the washi tapes because it's always in plastic, and yeah, it takes time to open it. So to have a better look on the washi tapes, I already taped them in here, so you could have a better look. I really love this one. The coffee cup is always yeah, as someone who drinks coffee every day, I really love this washi. I'm not a fan of this leopard style, or the colors are not my style, but it's just a personal preference. So anybody else would love it. So yeah. Then we have the bagel, and that's is cute too. Yeah, I was hoping for some hearts, but I feel like you have them on the bagels, which are very cute, and you get them in the stickers. So I don't feel that it's there's something missing. We have a lot of heart shaped stickers here, and this cute little owl, and yeah, I feel like this one is pretty well done. A lot of different stickers on it, and I like it here. It's beautiful. And here we go with all the girls. This is from the last February box, and she's pretty too. So I love that we have a sticker of Simone, and this is Aria, the new prayer warrior, and she turned out beautiful too, in my opinion. So, and some flowers, so you can use it also in another month. You know, you don't have to use it up in February. You could use it also in March or April, or even May, June. So that's pretty. And last things in it are the tip-ins. And we have the lovely ballerina. She's gorgeous. This one is cute too. Then the leopard style. As I said, that's not so much my favorite, but I can live with it. And here we have the new prayer warrior, and I think Jenny will do use this one as a new cover on her journals soon, because she was asking in the group or she was asking in general if people like her, and I guess she will be on a cover soon, so looking forward to that. And then we have Love Never Fails and some roses and love. I mean, it's Valentine's Day, so you yeah, you can have not enough of these cute love and roses and hearts and stuff like this. I mean, we in Germany, we don't celebrate Valentine's Day as much like in other countries, but I love how it's celebrated in other countries, and yeah, I also hope I will get some flowers or something, maybe. Let's see. Maybe I scribe it in my journal and it will happen. Who knows? So let's see. All right, guys, that's it. And I hope you liked the short video. Now I just would love to know if you would have liked the box, or if it's not your style maybe, so let me know. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.